Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to enable accessibility shortcut on Realme C67 device. The accessibility button provides you with additional features and options to make your device more accessible and user-friendly. Well, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open please the settings menu on your device. Okay, and then here please scroll down and then select the accessibility option here. Well, after that scroll down again and then click on accessibility menu. Okay, after that activate the accessibility menu shortcut here and then click allow. Okay, and then now the accessibility shortcut on your device is active. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable accessibility shortcut on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.